An AP stands for name, address, phone. And there is a decent chance your NAP is quietly suppressing your Google Maps ranking right now, without you knowing it. I am going to show you the 5 most common NAP mistakes and how to find and fix every single one. This is one of the most underappreciated local SEO topics because the mistakes are invisible. You cannot feel a NAP inconsistency. You cannot see it in your analytics. You just notice that your ranking is lower than it should be, and you cannot figure out why. NAP consistency is how Google builds confidence in your business. When your name, address, and phone number match across hundreds of sources on the web, Google reads that as credibility. When they conflict, even slightly, Google gets uncertain. And uncertainty produces lower rankings. Here are the 5 mistakes I see constantly. Mistake number 1. Using multiple phone numbers across platforms. The most common NAP mistake. Your website has your main business line. You added a call tracking number to your Google business profile. Your Yelp listing has the number from when you first set it up 3 years ago, which is your old cell phone. 3 different phone numbers, 3 different signals to Google. Each one creates doubt about which business entity is the real one. Fix. Pick one phone number. Your primary business line. Use it everywhere. If you need call tracking, use a tool that forwards to your main number, not a separate number that lives in your listings. Mistake number 2. Abbreviated versus spelled out address. 123 Main Street abbreviated as Saint in one place and spelled out in another. Both describe the same physical location. But to an algorithm comparing strings of text, they are different. This happens because different directories have different formatting conventions. Yelp might auto-format your address one way. Your website might display it another. Apple Maps might have a version that was auto-generated when your business was first listed. Fix. Decide on one format. Spelled out is typically safer. And standardize across every platform where you are listed. Mistake number 3. Suite number inconsistencies. If your business is in a suite, the suite number needs to appear consistently. Suite 200 versus number 200 versus T period, 200 versus no suite number at all. This sounds trivial. It is not. Businesses in office buildings or strip malls often have 5 different variations of their address floating around the web because different directories formatted it differently when the data was first ingested. Fix. Include your suite number in a single standard format and audit every listing. Mistake number 4. Changed address or phone not updated everywhere. You moved your business 2 years ago. You updated your website and your GBP. But your Yelp listing, your Yellow Pages listing, your Apple Maps listing, your old Chamber of Commerce directory listing, they all still have your old address. For Google, this is particularly damaging. Multiple sources saying you are at different addresses creates genuine uncertainty about where your business is, which directly suppresses your ability to rank for location-based searches. Fix. Every time you move or change your phone number, build an address change audit into your process. Search your old address across the web. Find every listing. Update every one. Mistake number 5. Inconsistent business name. Your legal business name might be Smith's Plumbing LLC. But you might use Smith's Plumbing on your website, Smith's Plumbing Services on Yelp, and Smith's Plumbing on Facebook. Each variation is a different entity to Google's algorithm. And keyword stuffing, adding Best Plumber in Chicago to your business name in some listings, actually generates an inconsistency penalty from Google. Fix. Pick the exact business name you want associated with your Google business profile. Use it everywhere, identically. For most businesses, this is the name on their business license without descriptors. How to find all your listings. Search your business name in quotes on Google. Search your phone number. Search your address. Look at every result that mentions your business. Make a spreadsheet. List every place you're mentioned. Compare the NAP data across all of them. Fix the inconsistencies, starting with the highest authority sources: Google, Apple Maps, Bing, and Yelp. NAP inconsistencies are one of the things that is hardest to fix manually because there are so many places your business might be listed, often ones you do not even know about. Ninja includes citation monitoring and management as part of its local SEO automation. It finds inconsistencies across the web and helps standardize them. Check it out at tryninja.ai, link in the description. Next up, a full Google Maps guide specifically for restaurants. How to fill more tables through search. Subscribe so you get it when it drops.